on your aluminum caps, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride through history.
The government doesn't want you to know this secret, but stepper motors have been around for millennia, and they have been hiding right under our noses this whole time. From the dawn of man to the mega civilizations of ancient Egypt and the wild western frontier, stepper motors were even found in the moon landing files.
If you're looking for true factual proof that fires can be started with steel wool and stepper motors, look no further.
Before the dawn of man, when the Earth's crust was still forming, there were select locations where special pockets of the earliest generation of stepper motor formed. It was these pockets that were discovered by the first Homo sapiens. It just so happened that these very Homo sapiens also lived in caves rich with iron deposits, which caused their hair to become covered in fine iron dust, making it resemble steel wool, which when combined with current from the stepper motor, creates a spark. This caveman in particular was quite resourceful and even thought to use his belly lint he had been saving up for years. Somehow, with their limited brain power, alright, insanely below average, they were able to figure out that combining the two and adding some of their belly lint created the best result for a constant fire starter.
Yeah. Fire! What could this be? It came flying from the sky above. It must be a gift from the goddess above. Nut.
It's pronounced newt, you Egyptian
No,
idiot.
it's not. It's pronounced nut. It's funnier. Oh, goddess Nut, thank you for bestowing upon me this gift, even though it hurt when you hit my face with your nut. I wonder what this could be. Well, I don't have time now to figure that out. I must go pray to the god Anubis for my dead cat who is in heaven. I wonder if I'm supposed to use this in some way to maybe bring my cat back to life. The goddess of the sky would want me to do that. Whoa! My Anubis statue. It seems to fit. Whoa! And it turns. I wonder if this, using the power of the god of death, Anubis, would bring my cat back to life. Whoa. It's making noise. Whoa! Whoa! Is that supposed to happen? I've never seen anything come back to life. No. I don't know if that's right. Oh no. No! Stop it! Stop!
I hope you're enjoying these 100% factual stories, because I got 3 more for you. But before we get to those, have you ever wanted to protect yourself from a government propaganda? Well, for a limited time, you can invest in an aluminum foil cap for $6.66 for a lifetime binding contract. And it'll also notify you when Kyle the Creator's posting. But if you don't want to do that, just throwing it out here, don't want to sound crazy or nothing, but you could subscribe and turn on notifications. That would at least allow you to know when he posts. But if it were me, I'd probably go for the protection of the aluminum foil hat, because you never know what spewing crap the government's putting out today. So, back to the stories though. Thanks for listening.
Oh, good afternoon, Sheriff. What can I do you for? You got anything new for me today, Jebediah? Well, it just so happens I just had my weekly anal probing with the aliens, and they gave me this stepper doohickey thingy majigger. These alien buddies of yours tell you what this stepper doohickey thing does? Sure as hell don't make a good anal probe. Oh, what the hell, Jebediah? I'll put you in jail for that. Oh, I'm not really sure what it does. It didn't go into much detail, but I'm sure you'll figure that out, Sheriff. I don't know what this is. Oh, Jebediah, you nasty bastard. Well, it's got this thing that spins. Maybe if I put my lasso around it and pull it, it'll do something. Oh, shit! Not the gallows, that's the townspeople's favorite activity. I'll just blame it on Jebediah. No one likes that alien-loving bastard anyways.
Houston, the Eagle has landed.
About fucking time, dude. Way to keep everyone waiting. We thought you maybe got weak arms up there with all the lack of gravity.
Houston, I thought we talked about this. You know I don't like being called weak arms, especially in front of everyone else.
Stop being a little bitch, Neil.
Screw you, Houston. I'm gonna go walk outside without my helmet on because of you.
Wait, stop, don't. Not until we get a camera ready for the gram. NASA wants a photo of you, whether you're dead or alive.
I can breathe. What kind of scam is this, Houston? Thought you said the moon was inhabitable. Glad I brought my stepper motor. My great-great-grandfather's stepper motor. Although what the heck am I gonna turn this with? That's right! NASA sent me here with this plastic wrench. What the hell am I gonna torque on the space station? All the bolts on the space station are torqued to like 1,000,000 bajillion Newton meters. What the heck would this be useful for? Well, I guess I found a use. You know, I'm kind of hungry. I might as well make some wieners while I'm up here. Let's light this last little bit of fuel off and make some wieners. Ooh. Whoa! What is that?
What are you seeing, Neil?
Holy cow!
What?
It's a cow, Houston. There's a freaking cow on the moon.
Neil, make sure you get a picture of him for the NASA's gram.
No! It's going on my gram. Jeez. Get your freaking life together, Houston. I'm the one in space, not you.
All right, Boy Scouts. It's time to start a fire like your fathers taught you. Have fun and be careful. I'm gonna go F off for a couple hours because I don't fucking feel like teaching you babies. Now figure it out and help each other if you can't. What? All my dad taught me was how to cheat at Pinewood Derby by buying my car online and how to rip fat farts. What the heck am I gonna do? Dad. Why does my Pinewood Derby have a hole in it? And it looks to match my stepper motor. No way. This must have been what Dad was talking about. Wonder if I can start a fire with this. Guys, I lit a fire. Oh, I bet we can make it bigger if we fart on it.
My dad was a genius!
Well, I hope you've enjoyed those 100% factual stories that I curated for you. And I hope it'll make you question whether the stories you're getting from the interwebs are 100% legit like mine. I'm also always wondering why people are putting these fire starters in their damn 3D printers. Like, you're just asking for trouble. No wonder the internet tells about these tales of people burning their houses down with fire starters in their 3D printers. Like, you guys just gotta get smarter and stop doing that. Now, what pairs better with fire than ice? Go check out Kyle the Creator's Ice Disc video if you want to see something real cool.